Hey guys, today we are going to make the first time setup of iPhone. So if you're using any iPhone, you want to get the first time setup of your iPhone. So let's see how can you do that. Here, when you have turned on your iPhone, you'll get this type screen. So you just have to swipe it up, and from here, first you have to select your language, in which language you want to continue. In my case, I'm going to select English from here. Once you have selected, you have to select your country or region, and once you have selected, you just have to wait for this loading. And here you have to select the appearance, choose how you would like text icons to look on your iPhone. So in my case, I'm going to select default, but you can easily select medium or large. So I'm going to select default from here, then select continue. And here, if you want to make a quickly set up your iPhone, here you can see there's a description which is bring your current iPhone or iPad near to your new phone to sign into your Apple account. But I'm going to skip this one. Here you just have to select setup without another device. And here you have to select your written and spoken languages. As here you can see this English UK is already selected, but you can easily select use selected settings. I'm going to select use selected settings, and here you have to connect with the Wi-Fi network. Select your Wi-Fi, and here you have to enter the password. Once you have entered, simply tap on this next option. When your Wi-Fi will be connected, it will automatically go to the second screen. And here you have to wait for it. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. So you must have to wait here. And after that you will get a this type screen which is data and privacy. So if you want to read it, you can read this description and here's a lot more. If you want to learn more about the settings, you can just do that, but I'm going to select continue from here. And here you have to select your age range. I'm going to select the third option from here, then select if you want to make your face ID, but I'm going to select setup letter. And here you have to create a new passcode, or you can easily select different passcodes from here. As I have selected, you must have to select the passcode which you want. Once I have entered, simply go for this loading and then go for next page. And here you can easily transfer your apps and data from your iPhone or iCloud, but I'm going to select don't transfer anything and go ahead to next settings. And here you have to create or sign in with your Apple account. If you